Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Greening World Graphics YouTube. Okay, on today's video I will be showing you how to get a better image resolution on PixelLab. Okay, most of the time when you are done designing your design, you discover that when you upload it on your social media handles, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, you discover that you have a low image resolution. Now this is the problem. I know most of you have this problem, but I'm going to fix it in this particular video. Okay, when you are done designing, most people believe that if you want to save your image after you're done designing, just go to save image and then keep this one on PNG and keep this one in Ultra. This is very good, but this is only if you are not going to be uploading on your social media. Why? Because if you upload on WhatsApp will surely decrease your image. You won't get the same resolution that you save your image with. Now let's save this image and see what happens. Okay, now we're going to check what the result is going to be at the end of the day. Okay, now the image is saved. Now there's something I want us to do. Go to this background tool. Okay, go from gallery, then check this image that we just saved now here at the top. See what we have. We have 2.3 MB. Okay, and let's go back and do another thing. Then let's take the normal procedure for saving image or saving your project. Let's see the one that is going to have a better image quality. Now let's go to save. Now follow me up. Now you're going to leave your format in PNG. Okay, then the only thing you need to change here now is your dimension, which is Ultra. This is the first step you need to take. Save it first, and then after you are done saving, go to your background tool. If you have watched my video on introduction to PixelLab, you know that I call this your background tool. Since PixelLab didn't name this once, so I have to name it myself. I call this background tool. Select your background tool and then go to from gallery. Select from gallery and then check this image you save in PNG, in JPEG. It's actually showing us a low quality in MB. That's 1.30 MB, but the PNG is showing us 2.3. Now there's something we need to do now. We are going to choose this one in PNG. Okay, we are going to choose this one in PNG. Okay, and not this one. Okay, I mean we are going to choose the one on JPEG, not the one in PNG. Now we choose the one in JPEG, import it as our background. Okay, now we are going to save this work again. Okay, go to save as image. Now this is the second time you are saving it. Save it in PNG and then save this one in Ultra. Are you getting what I'm saying? The first time we saved it, we saved it in PNG and in JPEG, and then now we are saving it back in Ultra and in PNG and Ultra. Okay, but at initial, I told you at initial we directly save it in PNG and Ultra. So this is why you're having a problem. Now you have to save it 2 times. Now we have done it, save in PNG and Ultra, then we save. Give it some time to load. Let's check and see the one that's going to have a better quality now. Okay, now let's go back to from gallery. Now looking at what we have here. Okay, I want you to see something. Now we have this first one we saved directly in PNG. We are having 2.30 MB in PNG image. Okay, now the second one we have here, we are having this second one we saved in JPEG. We are having 1.30 MB. Okay, but this last one we just saved after saving in PNG and then saved it in the after saving in JPEG and then save it in PNG. Look at what we are having. We are having about 2.57 MB, which is a far more better resolution than what we ever imagined. Okay, now I want to show you something. If you are good at, if you have been observant, you notice that when you open a better resolution images, there's something always showing you on your phone. It will take some time to load, just to tell you how high the resolution is. There is no how WhatsApp can be able to reduce image quality again. Okay, look at this image now. It's taking time to load to show clearly even the text and the images. There's no how WhatsApp can reduce it for people not to discover the quality of the image that you're actually posting about. Okay, now let's select this first PNG image. It's not as high resolution as the initial. This one is in JPEG. Immediately you just select it, it just show you the image clearly. But this one, it will look a little rough, and at the same time it just takes some time to load. And now see it, we have a better resolution image. And when you select it and then go to here, details, you have the size is 2.57 MB. Okay, and I hope this video is very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification to see more of my video anytime I drop them soon. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video is actually helpful to you. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate viewing my channel this time. I really appreciate. Thank you. Bye bye.